He's like, I chew my paw because it's itchy. And then it goes away. So, I don't know, don't stress over it unless it seems to really be a problem. But maybe ask your vet if you're concerned. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing. Also, I'm not one to give doggy medical advice. You should ask your vet for that. Right, Raven? You're a good girl. Oh, well, that's nice. She's lucky to have you, he or she. Hey, you're a good girl. Oh, cool. German Shepherd? I love German Shepherds. Moose and Raven are Alaskan Malamutes. I don't know if I put that in the description, but some people think they're Huskies, and they're a lot bigger than a Husky. Raven weighs right about 100 pounds. Moose is maybe a little bit more than she is. Raven's taller, but Moose is thicker in the body. Big puppies. They are a year and a half old. What are you doing, Moose? You creeping in? Well, Moose, actually, the breeder named Moose, and I saw the picture of him before I picked him up. I was like, I'm keeping that name. That is perfect for him. And then Raven, I looked at names that were popular for the natives and the Vikings, and Raven was on both of those lists, and she's also named after another animal, so I thought having two animal names was pretty cool. So that's how I decided on Raven. Hey, I see flying emojis. Thank you. Thanks for the love, everybody. Hey, Moose, don't pull on her harness. Hey, see? Don't get too rough. And also that she was black in color. Oh, don't jump on me, buddy. The black in color really sealed the deal for the name Raven. Hey, buddy. All right. All right, you guys are getting a little too rambunctious right now. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want it to be me. When you get pounced on by a 100-pound dog, you really feel it. All right, everybody. I think we are gonna